Weight loss might be aided by New Year's resolutions, but it needs effort and dedication. The first step is to make a weight loss resolution. The next phases are the most difficult since they need strategy and execution. It's all too tempting to revert to old behaviors when something goes wrong. When we get off course, we often convince ourselves that getting back on track is impossible. Anytime you get off track, just pick up from where you left off, instead of waiting for a fresh week to start all over again. Remember, it is progression over perfection. When you're first making adjustments, try to avoid circumstances where you'll have to deviate from your new schedule. As we jump right in, kindly subscribe to our channel, and turn on your notification for more content. Be sure to stay till the end so you do not miss any important health tips. Here are the top 5 tips to keeping your New Year's resolution weight loss goals. Number 5, make it very specific. When setting a goal, it's critical to be explicit so that failure and success can be easily measured. Making a resolution to reduce weight is simply insufficiently not specific enough, and it sets you up for failure right away. Make your objective more specific. Setting a goal of reducing 6 pounds by March 1st, for example, is considerably more specific, both in terms of the amount of weight lost and the amount of time assessed. You can assess accomplishment and establish a path to success if you have a particular aim. Number 4, make it realistic. Imagine starting a business and setting a goal for yourself to make $1 million each year on day 1. That would be really difficult, and you would most likely burn out shortly. It's fine to dream big, but it's also crucial to make your goals reasonable so you don't feel like you're constantly falling short. When it comes to losing weight, strive to pick a goal that is both achievable and healthful. Rather of attempting to lose 20 pounds in the first month, select a weight loss target that you have a higher possibility of meeting so you can remain with it longer. Depending on your present weight, a healthy quantity of weight loss can vary, so consult your doctor. If you like this video, kindly give us a thumbs up and share it with family and friends. Number 3, find your inner motivation. It may seem self-evident, but finding motivation is the first step in defining a goal. When we make a goal, we should take a step back and examine our routines. Look at what's kept you from achieving your goals in the past, and figure out what's keeping you from achieving them now. If you want to lose weight, for example, be sure you understand why you want to lose weight. Is it about wishing for a lower number on the scale, or is it about self-acceptance, or self-confidence? Instead of focusing on the number on the scale, you should focus on positive affirmation to help yourself. For the best results, get a notepad, make a Facebook page, or phone a friend to update them. By doing so, you will be held accountable, and having a community of support pushes you to achieve your goals as well. People who are held accountable to others are much more likely to fulfill their objectives. Number 2, have a definite plan. Once you've figured out your why, you should support yourself so that you can start seeing results. SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound are fantastic because they describe the practicalities of a measurable goal. Setting minor goals for yourself to attain a greater goal is sometimes necessary. For example, instead of setting a goal of cooking 100 recipes over the course of the year without a defined plan, intended to make 1 recipe per week. Using the SMART goals technique will help you achieve your desired health results. Success breeds success, and achieving any goal frequently necessitates a shift in several habits. It's easier to work on one behavior at a time if we split the goal down into smaller chunks. Once a new behavior has stabilized, a second behavior to work on can be introduced. Unfortunately, many people who make New Year's resolutions don't think about how they'll keep them. A resolution without a strategy is nothing more than a wish. Create a step-by-step plan to help you simplify your objective and make it more attainable. A decent approach would be to persuade yourself that you'll run 1 mile 3 times a week and eat out only once a week. Number 1, have a reward. When you complete specific goals with your resolution, it's crucial to reward yourself. You're giving yourself something to look forward to if you meet the next goal by rewarding yourself. If you're trying to lose weight, remember to reward yourself with something other than food. When you use food as a reward, you're setting yourself up to fall off the wagon. Instead, employ alternative forms of compensation, such as a massage or a new wardrobe. These incentives will make you feel good and drive you to reach the next goal without jeopardizing your objectives. Consider the roadblocks you've faced in the past that have prevented you from achieving your objectives. For example, if you want to go to the gym more but don't already do so, consider what you can do to guarantee you have everything you need to make it happen. It's also critical to surround oneself with positive individuals who will inspire you to make improvements. Remember, others have achieved similar goals you want to achieve, hence it is not impossible to achieve them. Believe in yourself and your dream will come to life.